bill. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, your
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the president. Once I mentioned, there was.
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They asked me-
Pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan ang siyang nagplano. Kasi
Ma'am, we're already invoking
namin.
executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.
We're invoking executive privilege in this.
Yes,
matter.
that's fine, but it's
Yes.
in the interview and it's
Yes, ma'am.
public.
It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes, I'd like to understand. I think your brother's trying
I
to
did not
explain
state in any
what he
way.
said in the interview, and I'm happy
They
to
asked
hear
me
it.
if I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan ang galing yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, ma'am. Let me explain
sa
first, ma'am.
interview po eh.
Yes,
Ang
ma'am.
liwanag
Let
eh.
me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival based
Parang
on.
hindi yung gano'n ang dating sa amin eh. Ang pagkaintindi
that
namin,
is the whole
apat
truth,
plan.
ma'am. That is we were discussing rumors. Go ahead, ma'am.
Patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan ha.
And was that the plan from the very
Yes, from the
beginning?
very
What
beginning.
was, and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira
stand by that, ma'am.
last man standing doon sa Malacanang.
I stand by that.
Kasi Secretary Chidoro was working out of his office sa Camp
Pinapakaliwanag po
Aguinaldo.
nung sinabi
Yes, ma'am.
ninyo.
Secretary
Wala
Anyo,
namang
of course, his
pakiyaw-kiyaw dun sa
specialty is
sinabi.
intelligence.
Yes,
So he was.
Patayin na muna natin. Pakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa kahit ako ang kasama ng presidente nung nagsalita
Yes, ma'am.
sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Eh sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
Walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na
I
ninyo sa
must
TV.
state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the president's statements were in Hong Kong, and it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kaming-
isang grupo na
ang-
nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am, and that was all.
Rumor lang yon.
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
There was no
hindi,
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Anong
Earlier,
in-effort ng group
ma'am,
kapag hindi
let
plano?
me make
I think that we're intruding into executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we please
No, I'm
respect
just
our.
asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes,
it's already
I'm
a very thin
confining-
dividing line between what transpires in a room between cabinet members
I will-
and a media statement. But there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
Pero ngayon, sinabi kasi sa TV, paliwanag naman ninyo sa atin kung ano ibig sabihin. Kasi ang sinabi, hindi ako mag-isa na nagplano, may grupo kami.
They asked me if I had planned it. Sabi ko, I did not. I did not plan it. I said we were there, and not to skirt, ma'am, executive privilege. It was mainly because of the statements of the former president in Hong Kong that he said, in his words, ma'am, in Hong Kong, that, I think you have a clip, he said that ang reading ko ay may ICC warrant of arrest na. That was the best of my recollection, ma'am.
So anong pinag-group effortan? Anong
To discuss the rumor,
ng
ma'am.
grupo na
That, again, ma'am,
pinangalanan nyo?
as far
Sorry.
as I will invoke executive privilege, there was you cannot plan on a rumor, ma'am.
Kaya nagtataka
So,
ako,
again,
bakit group effort? Eh, chismis lang naman yun.
Chismis nga. Ayun
Kaya
nga
nga,
yun.
kung chismis, bakit mag-group effort pa? Tapos pinangalanan mo
Ma'am,
pa lahat na
maraming
nag-group
marites sa
effort?
mundo to, ma'am.
Dabis naman yung marites, dami-daming
It
marites
was a
sa amin.
discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the president in Hong Kong. Secretary Anyo, of course, his specialty is intelligence, so he was gathering all the information in his source, in his location. So ako lang ang nasa Malacanang. So he served this role, and the information that he gathered and shared was very reliable. And
Such as, or is there anything you can share?
the conversations
on whether or not they would go home.
Ibig sabihin, yung mga lawyers po sinasabi kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Parang gano'n ang lumalabas sa mga sources.
Sources from Secretary Anyo?
Sources ni Secretary Anyo.
Opo. And he relayed that to the core team. So the core
Yes.
team is the President, yourself, Secretary Anyo, Secretary Teodoro,